Hello and welcome again at Stocks Advisor channel. Today we will talk about Okta Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name Okta. Well, Okta is actually now did show the end of previous wave, and it's volatile on its moving average 50 last week, almost trading week, and now the question is where is it going to go? Since today it made second dark candle and looks like it's a piercing doji, although small one. But still the question is where it will go and what are the opportunities here. So let's do a quick analysis to understand this. Overall, Okta is actually a good company. It's quite big with market capitalization of about 28 billions, engaged in software development technology, and in that sense you can see here that overall it was growing quite well all these months, but now the growth is kind of flattening. So its volatility is increasing, and this might open interesting buy opportunities here. So first of all, let's look at the volatility channels we saw previously. Let's draw them in gray. You can clearly see there are really big enhancing volatility channels that one might take a chance to play with, and let's call them C1 and C2. And actually within this channel entire game might take place overall, and now we are in the middle of that channel. Also you can see here one of the positive signs that moving averages are still going up and positive. It's so-called 20-50-200 company. When it's moving average 20, 50 and 200 are aligned like this, and then it means that company is overall growing. So if you are like longer term or mid-term, you are more safe to enter almost any reasonable price, but if you're a short-term player you need to get a wave, and now the question is when the next wave is starting. So the latest wave that started at the middle of September here did go all the way up with one stopping point somewhere beginning of October, and then going again second step. So it's two steps wave, and its maximum was seen somewhere around 12 October, sending price also RSI wise in overbought area, and MACD wise it was forming a classical maximum of the MACD histogram. Now the price is declining, and last actually trading week it was forming a negative wave, which is still to be formed, not finished yet its formation, but about to start moving up, so creating a positive pressure more and more. But momentarily it looks a little bit bearish here, because we have like this small wave with some piercing kind of piercing candle today, although it's very small one. And if you look carefully, we are sitting here on a actually kind of volatility line and moving average 50, the blue line altogether, and they both caused this small wave forming, and most probably it will pierce down further because still not enough upwards pressure here to send the price up. And should this take place, it's already possible to start entering at the levels here, because in general it should not take much time to restart the upwards move. Overall the stock is quite nice and stable in that sense. So let's first depict here available support lines with green, and these would be actually on these levels, and let's name the lines. So these would be then so this one is V1 volatility, then S1, S2 and S3, and with those lines it's clear that the first entry will be actually advised somewhere just at S1, S2 channel. Already at S1 is already a good time to buy. You can slightly buy in this channel, and actually should the price go anywhere below C2 line and S3 channel, actually anything starting from below C2 would be a second buy all the way until moving average 200. So with these two areas it's advised to enter. You can again buy with average down 1 to 2 approach, and then it's expected to have at least a volatility based reversal, because the price is actually floating in the channel C1, C2 quite nicely all these 4 months, so nothing says otherwise that this will not continue. Also, if you look at moving average 20 here, it's momentarily accelerative, meaning that if you look carefully on the last part, it's going like this. So it's moving average not only going up, but its first and second derivatives are positive, meaning it's going up with positive speed and with positive acceleration. So though price might dip a little bit down towards S1 line, but then reversal should take place. And usually for the kind of broken, actually not reconfirmed, not broken, but not reconfirmed waves, like we see here, classical decline of the previous wave and then the second wave down, it's making form kind of a head and shoulders approach or formation, because you can imagine you draw this one like a head actually, and then here we see shoulders formation, and this usually means that once this second shoulder or arm is finally formed, it also should return. So it's kind of a classical pattern from chart analysis point of view here. And once the restart starts, it's expected at least to go, let's draw it in red, to the line of the level somewhere about 225. But then it again will become very unstable and unclear, and further action will define actually where the price will go. We will probably come back to this one later to see where it's going and to do further analysis. At the moment, it's two circles, 1 and 2, with average down opportunities here with 1 to 2 average down approach, and overall looks very promising. Okta Incorporated traded at Nasdaq. With this, we finish today this episode, and also ask you to subscribe to our channel and watch another videos on our channel. This way you will not miss new interesting opportunities and new discussions for US-based stocks.